In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the template on your Squarespace website. Changing the template can refresh your site's appearance and better align it with your brand or personal preferences. Whether you're looking to make a few styling changes or want to make a more significant update, this process is made simple with Squarespace's intuitive interface. Let's dive straight into the steps and get your site looking exactly how you envision it. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the Squarespace homepage. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your website settings. Once you're on the homepage, locate and click on the Website option. This will take you to the core settings of your site where you can manage everything from your domain to custom content. Next, you'll see a section called Styles in the menu. Clicking on Styles directs you to where the magic happens, the design section of your site. Here you have control over various customizable aspects of your website. It's like finding the central hub for all your aesthetic modifications. Once you're in the Styles section, find it and click on Themes. Selecting a theme is a crucial step because it largely influences your website's overall look and feel. A theme incorporates design elements, layout, and sometimes dummy content, which can be swapped out for your own. Consider choosing a theme that aligns with the mood and message of your content to ensure consistency in how users perceive your brand online. After selecting a theme, you can further refine the look by clicking on the Fonts option. Fonts play a significant role in the readability and visual hierarchy of your content, so selecting the right font style and size is essential. Squarespace offers a diverse array of fonts, so whether you're going for something modern, classic, or quirky, you'll be well catered for. The final touch is customizing your site's color scheme. Click on Colors to experiment with different palettes. Colors can evoke emotions and set a tone, so it's worth spending some time finding the perfect shades that resonate with your site's purpose. Once you've found a palette that you like, make sure to click Save to store all the changes you've made. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you now have the tools to change and customize your template on Squarespace. Remember, these changes can significantly impact how visitors interact with your website. So take your time, experiment, and create something that truly reflects your vision. If you ever want to change things up again, you can always return to these settings and tweak them until they're just right. Thanks for joining me today. Happy designing!